Hi Artie, how are you? I have purchased a new car, but I have a problem for rust and corrosion. So please help me and guide me what I can do for it. And I want to fix the problem for rust and corrosion. My car body is going day by day very bad situation. So please help me and find the solution. I will be thankful to you.
Hi Lisa, how are you? I'm fine. Yes, Lisa, electronic rust protection device is the best solution for this. Also, I have problem in my car for rust and corrosion. I purchased the Auto Rust Barrier electronic rust protection device, and they give me very good results, and I am very satisfied. After installation the module, my rust is stopped and no more rusting. So I am very happy with this device. www.autorustbarrier.com. More detail you can find from this website. I hope your problem will be solved without any problem.